Very good evening to all of you. Those who are watching this video, as you can see the title, I will discuss about to the keywords, and these keywords basically this strategy basically is useful for both the researcher as well as to the bloggers. So what is the role of keywords into any article? As you know that in all website, actually you in general, now I'm talking about to the bloggers. You may have seen many articles or journal posts where the basically writer, what they do, they search some keywords with high volumes, or sometimes for the monetary point of view, they also look for CPC, click per charges, and other points. So here in this video I will discuss about that point, which will be useful for you in terms of the research article. So most of the time actually researcher use the keywords in their article as per their methodology, what the experimental procedure and the theoretical development, and which formula or which technique basically they have used into the article. So most of the time traditional researchers use only those keywords, irrespective to know that the volume of that particular keyword, right? So what is it means here when I am saying that volume of the keywords? As you know that uh, if in case you want to find out the solution of any question or anything, so what do you basically at that time? You Google the word or a combination of the words that becomes actually keywords, right, for the search engine. So suppose you want to find out any name of the person, place, name of the place, right? Or similarly you find out in research some like nanotechnology, a single keyword, or nanotechnology into the electronics, right? Or you want to search basically fiber or polymer or database, or like cyberspace or cybercrime. There are so many words basically that for that you use Google to search out the related information. But when you observe that the information which you are looking is not observable from the search engine, then you put some combination of the words at yourself, and then you observe that particular information. So that time search engine note that particular thing, that this is the combination, and at this particular site, at this position, basically the person observed that thing. So this information is stored, right, and becomes the keyword and relevant research. So here in this video actually I am just going to demonstrate with you a technique by which you can find out the relevant article. This is a little more payable, and monthly its charge is around 700 rupees. So easily one can spare that thing to find out the keywords. So how to find out the keywords right now? So first of all, let me show you the some website, and then after we will talk about to that how it will go, right? So here this is Cornell University archive.org, ePrint archive. So here you can take any research article. I have just opened this nuclear theory section. So here you can see this new giganeutral for 2 proton radioactivity. For an example, you can select any article, it does not matter that particular one. So any article you can click by which you are sure that you are aware about to the words. So for an example, I just click this one, description of multidimensional potential energy surface in fission with these two nuclei. So I'm just clicking the PDF file, and then after I will see the keywords in this particular article, and then we will see the volume of the each keywords which is used in this particular article. Right, so paper is just going to open. So what basically the tool I am using here, I am using here this Ahref tool that is basically purchased by using the community tools, right? So let me fix it. Okay. So this is the keywords: spontaneous fission, potential energy surface, microscopic methods, and these two nuclei are basically the keywords, right? If you see here carefully that this potential energy surface is taken into this title, potential energy surface. One thing. Second thing, CF252 is taken here, 252 CF, and this nuclei. This is also keyword. A keyword is used into the title, and now we will see these keywords into the abstract. So here at the first stage, this thing has been clear that the keywords basically you have to use into the title, and then after we will see the keywords into the abstract. The microscopic studies on nuclear fission require the evaluation of potential energy surface. So in the first sentence, right, of the abstract, you had observed this potential energy surface, its frequency now. Potential energy surface once, surface, and then after we will see the frequency actually of the surface, potential energy surface, and here energy surface. So obviously if you one search the potential energy surface, so potential energy surface, its frequency is 2 into the abstract. So from my point of view, actually the combination of these potential energy surface is in the title, in the abstract, and frequencies of 2. So this basically part is optimized according to the search engine. And now into the introduction, we will see the potential energy surface, right? So our focus is on this potential energy surface, because this is the most important here, potential energy only barrier. So this is the potential energy surface. So in the first paragraph of the introduction, you had observed the potential energy surface frequency. So as according to me, this article is basically optimized according to the search engine. So when someone basically search the potential energy surface, automatically this probability basically increases to appear this article in front to the target audience, the person basically those who are looking that information. Now I am using this potential energy surface volume. Right, and this volume, first of all I will see into the United States, that what is the volume of this potential energy surface into the USA. So potential energy surface volume is 800. This is not in terms of the research, basically this volume is enough, 800. As you can see, in India it is 250, and in UK 150, and Germany 100, Canada 90. So you can see that per month search of this keyword potential energy surface is maximum into the United States. Now let's see the article. The article's author basically belongs to the France, Poland, Spain, Madrid, Spain and France. So European countries, basically the author belongs to the European country, right? And we are looking here the volume of the potential energy surface for the United States. So the volume is 800. So if we see it in Italy, that is only 60, Germany, that is 100, and in case of Spain, right, let's see what will be the volume of this keyword in into Spain. So as such, in space, the volume is very poor, that is only 40. So this potential energy surface is not a searchable keyword into the Spain, but this especially this potential energy surface, I'm basically talking about to the keywords. So the target audience of these keywords basically are in India and United States. So most of the uh, uh, researchers will be available into the United States and India, those who are basically following the potential energy surface keyword. Right, so you by this way one can get the hint, and now I am talking about to the another article, and by this way actually you can find out many more information by taking any example, any article. So electrical dipole response of low energy lying excitation in the 2 neutron halo nucleus. Let us see this article, and then after we will see the situation. Right, so here the article is this one, electric dipole response of low lying excitation in the 2 neutron halo nucleus for this nucleus 29 fluorine. So what are the keywords basically here? Let's see. So no keywords are mentioned in this article, uh, right, as per the format. So this format is actually for the physical review C. So uh, there is no as such no keywords are mentioned, so I am just avoiding this article, and we'll see the another one, a new boson approach for wobbling motion in even odd nuclei. So actually my purpose of this video is to share this particular information. If you are basically using those keywords which are not searchable among the scientific community, and you are writing the article on that, then it is very clear that you will not get the target audience for that article, right? So how basically when the article is not uh, basically searchable for the researchers, so how basically one can expect that that particular article will get the citation, right? So this is a very common thing at the present time when internet is playing the role. So here as such I could not get enough uh, paper. So now let's see into the potential energy surface. What the Google Scholar tell us about potential energy surface. It provide the you can see here top 10 keywords related to the potential energy surface calculation for the reaction, for review of the reaction of chemical reaction. So potential energy surface in general basically used for the reaction and for the calculation, or used with this PES, right? So that basically you can observe. Now let me click the first one because I have used this as a keyword. So if Google Scholar provide the targeted article related to this one or not, so you can see here that all these working on potential energy surface, intersections of potential energy surface in polyatomic molecules, molecular potential energy surface by interpolation near intersections, potential energy surface for chemical reaction dynamics, for nuclear structure, collective potential energy surface, and nuclear. So here I have just used the potential energy surface word as a keyword, and I have observed here that at this particular position I found it for the nuclear physics. Right, the 1, 2, 3, 4 are basically either for the solid state physics or chemistry, and here at this particular point a nuclear structure, right? 6 7 8, at the 8 9 number I have observed this potential energy surface keyword for the nuclear physics. So if Google basically Google Scholar not providing directly to the nuclear physics. This is combination for different field potential energy surface. So if suppose a person belongs to the chemistry and looking for potential energy surface, so obviously it is clear that that person basically will observe this kind of situation where chemistry, where nuclear physics, and polymer and polyatomic molecular reactions article will open. So it is not exactly targeted. So we have to see it now into the Google potential energy surface, and how basically it provide the information. So within 15 or 20 minutes, is it not possible to explain everything about to the keywords, which basically the purpose is right. So here let's start the point, exact point. So potential energy surface chemistry LibreText. So you can see here this is a journal link, the concept of the potential energy surface, because this is the keywords for this. Here potential energy surface and overview, science direct topics, and the potential energy surface. So when I did try to search in general into the Google, this basically provide this kind of information, right? Here Wikipedia, here some website link and article, and related keyword. Basically you cannot see all these in your Internet Explorer, because this is an extension. So now let's see what is the potential concept of the potential energy surface into the computational chemistry. And here you can see the abstract, and into the abstract obviously the first keyword is the potential energy surface with PES, as you have seen earlier into the Google search. So potential energy surface is also keyword into this chemistry, and when you had seen here into this particular article, this is also using a potential energy surface in fission for these two nuclei. So search engine basically don't know about that the person who basically is searching the potential energy surface looking for the computational chemistry or the another one. Let's see this potential energy surface here in this section. Here Science Direct basically providing all those articles where he basically the search engine observe the potential energy surface. So this is one of the article related to this Encyclopedia of Physical Science Technology 3rd edition. In this article, multidimensional potential of mean force. So you can see here potential energy surface somewhere, right? This is another article, potential energy surface in the beginning, conclusion, or the next one here potential. So on the basis of keywords, this particular basically here this journal topics in chemistry oblique potential energy surface, you can see here annual reports in computational chemistry. You can see all the article where the potential energy surface keyword is used. I will basically within next 2-3 minutes I will try to show you just an example. Here again you cannot use it, but it is not available at free of cost, but I can potential energy surface for the demonstration purpose in India. Actually how basically this word is searchable per month. So you can see here potential energy surface is the keyword that is used 100 to 1000 people actually average monthly search of it, and its value is nothing, so its competition is low. That is basically technical point, as I told you earlier. At the beginning you cannot understand all these things, but you can get an idea that this is the thing. So here energy surface is also a keyword associated with the potential energy surface, right? Google providing these words in addition to the potential energy surface. A diabatic potential energy surface is also a keyword, and its volume per month. Potential energy surface in chemical kinetics. So potential energy surface of H2F. So my conclusion at the end of this demonstration, that one have to be very careful actually when they use the keywords, right? So keywords are very important, whether you are using a research article or you are writing a blog or whatever the thing is. Uh, my purpose of this video was just to provide you some information about to the keywords role into the research article, and when you will go into the depth, then you can understand that how basically all these keywords play the role with the search engine, and how your article basically can uh, reach up to the target audience. So this was the idea of this video. I'm thankful to all of you, those who are watching this video, and good evening here, Rajkumar. So thank you for being with me with this video, and if you have any question, you can comment on that, or if the information is useful or you get some idea about to the keywords, you can share with your colleagues or with your friends, so they understand that keywords at the present are not like that to pick those from anywhere, like from the model or from the methodology. There are some techniques by which one have to use all these keywords. So this mm, basically I know that this is not possible to explain within 20 or 30 minutes all these things, and where only I basically one side interaction is going on, right? So please the video, and share with your friends if possible, or put at any platform where you think that the researcher, basically primary stage researcher, basically will be beneficial from it, right? So my purpose of these videos is just to make the awareness about to the research and the things basically which goes with it, and I'm sure this information will be useful to all of you. Okay, bye, and have a nice time ahead, and thank you for watching this video and with me, and don't forget to like and share the videos with the right target audience, especially for the young researchers, right? Thank you.